Good morning, biscuits. Want to come along and vacuum with me? Put this on in the background while we vacuum together. I'm breaking out my old trusty faithful steed, the vacuum that I have had for a bazillion years. Still works better than all the other vacuums I have, and it's easier to clean. So what I like to do is turn on some music, get the room ready. Right now I'm actually vacuuming my filming studio space because it gets like glitter and random backdrop pieces that fall on it and just, the dirt of walking around on it. So I always have to check the floor extra when I'm cleaning a photo studio because it's going to have a little bit different stuff on the floor than like maybe the rest of my house or anything. Hey, don't forget, if you want to see my full versions of all of my cleaning videos, the $40 a month tier on Patreon has, and I'm kind of bringing this out as my new shebang because that tier used to have a lot of self-care on it and it still does. You can watch the entire back catalog on that tier. Even if you sign up for 1 month, you get to watch all my fun back catalog. But from here on out, I'm going to use that as my really fun homemaker tier. So I'm going to do all my uncut, uncensored cleaning videos. I'm going to do hauls and try-ons and all sorts of fun stuff because one of the things you biscuits have asked me the most, both on YouTube and on my Patreon page, was to have a place to go to watch all my uncut full-length version of cleaning videos that maybe I don't post or can't post on YouTube. So that is the tier for you on Patreon. So go check it out. I am going to try not to vacuum up the sparkly part of my backdrop. Oh my goodness. I love having a photo studio to work in, but it definitely does hold everything. It's my catch-all. It's my filming studio for my romance novel streaming series. It's my photo studio with backdrops. I use it for sets for my sci-fi romance novel photo shoots. I use it for my Patreon filming. So it just has a bunch of backdrops that I have to be really careful cleaning around and a bunch of random props and outfits and costumes that I'm always trying to tidy up because, a filming day is pure chaos in the best creative sort of way. And so there's always a ton of cleanup afterwards, generally the next day, because I'm so tired after a filming day that I'm like, I'm just going to tidy the next day. Hey, let's turn on some music. Let's get a little movement in. Ooh, I love stretching a little bit and getting kind of into the groove where I'm in the zone cleaning. That's my favorite type of cleaning. Ooh, I like this song. Okay, biscuits, have we cleaned? Have we vacuumed? Did I actually manage to finally vacuum the stairs? Biscuits, I've asked this before, I'll ask it again. Do you have a good hand vac recommendation that I could use for cleaning my stairs? I don't like the little suction arm tube thing on the stairs. I don't think it works all that well. I want something that's a little bit hardier, and it's hard because I'm dragging up and down this big vacuum. A lot of the battery cordless vacs, they don't get a lot of good reviews for actually doing stairs, and they don't do the little crannies, the nooks and crannies. So I need something with a little attachments. It can't just be the handheld thing. So give me your advice. What would you like, biscuits? Best advice gets a prize. I have no idea what. Maybe I heart your comment. Alrighty, biscuits. I love coming on here and playing and cleaning and having a good time and making homemaking more fun. I think it's just so much fun. I'm on here. I'm on my Huga Homemaker Cottage Core Cleaning channel. And I'm also on my main channel, The Wholesome Feed. So I'll see you all over YouTube between this video and the next.